All right, everybody, I'm going to go ahead and open up Adobe Rush. It's a free one from Adobe that you can assemble different clips together at different lengths and also export them at different sizes to fit the requirements for, I think, is it EdTech? No, what is yours is, I believe it's Pearson, right? Pearson Ed TPA. Alrighty. So once you open up Adobe Premiere Rush, you go create a new project. So go ahead and click create a new project. And from there, it's going to go ahead and start to get ready for you to assemble your timeline. So I'm going to go ahead and click create a new project. And I'm doing many things on my computer today, so it's going awful slow. I apologize. I'm going to go ahead and I've got a video to just do a quick example. I've got download section. I've got videos in documents. I've got videos on the desktop. I've got videos all over the place. I'm just going to go ahead and click downloads. Could have my phone hooked up. I'm going to go ahead and pick this recent video I helped an instructor with. I'm going to click create down in the right hand corner. So it's just going to prepare that media and put it on a timeline for you, just like Adobe Premiere or Macintosh iMovie or Final Cut or Adobe Premiere, the main one, or even After Effects. So all these Adobe suites are great programs to learn. So if I just had one clip, I'd be all ready to export and share right now because you've dragged it onto Adobe Premiere. It's Rush's timeline. But I'm going to go ahead and add another clip. So I'm going to hit that plus, and I'm going to hit media, and now it's going to ask me where I want to get the video from. Well, here we have a selection from downloads again, but I can go to the media browser, and I can maybe have the video in another location. Here's a screenshot I just did of a running dinosaur, so I'm going to add that in there at the beginning. I'm sorry, I put it at the end. So I'm going to have the one video here. I'm going to look at the length. It's 4 minutes and 56 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and shorten up that video. So now we're down to 2:42. I'm going to cut off the beginning of this also. And now I got it down to 2 minutes. And it even goes into the dinosaur, right? So I can click it and change the size of it if I want. I can do different things. So anyway, I could even put in a transition there. That allows me to put a transition in. I'm going to choose cross dissolve, drag it on there. So you can have things fading in and fading through, cross dissolves, text you can put on, you can change the color, you can do all that. So I've put together 2 clips, and of course we could put together multiple clips. But now I'm ready to share, and that's the button up here, share. And now the main thing is you want to name it properly. Right? I'm just going to call this test 1 video, and I see where it's going, but I don't like that, so I'm going to send it to the desktop, and I'm going to select that folder. So I'm going to send it to the desktop, and it's 128 megabytes, so I really don't have to go to the advanced options here and change the audio to mono or change the quality from high to low. You see how it changes down to 40 megabytes. So I'm good at high. It's 125 megabytes, and I'm ready to go ahead and export it, which is way over here. And we're just going to export that video. Okay, so there we go. It's starting to render, and it should be going right to the your local desktop. Well, that's where I'm saving mine. So then, of course, I'd be ready to export it to Pearson. Upload it to them as part of one of the artifacts that you're loading for a portfolio. So this is Adobe Rush. It's an example of squeezing down a video and assembling different parts. It's quick, fast. So we just wanted to let you know that, and that video will be on my desktop. Thanks. This is Mr. Mac out.